No script is perfect on the first draft. If you think your screenplay is flawless straight out of your brain, I promise you, it's not. The best writers rewrite, the best filmmakers refine. And the difference between a script that works and the one that gets stuck in almost there mode is feedback. But here's the problem: good script feedback is hard to get. Your friends might sugarcoat, your writers group might overanalyze, your ego might not want to hear the truth. Enter ChatGPT. If you use it correctly, ChatGPT can analyze your script like a professional story consultant, highlight weak spots in structure, pacing, and dialogue, break down character depth and emotional arcs, and even give multiple variations of the same scene to spark creativity. But here's the catch: most people use AI wrong for script feedback. Today, I'm going to show you how to make ChatGPT your personal script doctor without losing the soul of your writing. Format your script correctly, guys. Nobody reads a badly formatted script. Even ChatGPT works best with properly formatted screenplays. And if you want to know how to correctly format your script, I'll leave a link below this chapter. Now let's talk about structure. A good screenplay follows a solid narrative flow. Act 1, setup. This establishes the world and character motivations. This is usually page 1 to page 25 in a screenplay. Act 2, confrontation. This builds tension and deepens the conflict. These are pages 25 to 75 in a standard screenplay. Act 3, resolution. This is the climactic showdown and the emotional payoff. These are pages 75 to 110. Here's how you use AI to analyze a script structure. Upload your full script or just an act. ChatGPT will highlight slow sections and suggest where to tighten or move key events. Instead of like a vague give me feedback on my script, say analyze the pacing and structure of my screenplay's first act. Where does it slow down? This kind of prompting allows ChatGPT to focus on one issue at a time, just like a professional script consultant would. Bad dialogue is a deal breaker. You can use ChatGPT to catch some of the mistakes, like over explaining emotions, unrealistic speech patterns, characters sounding the same. Here's an advanced prompt example. Rewrite this scene to feel as tense as Inglorious Bastards opening. This kind of prompting helps ChatGPT suggest better flow, but you control the final draft. Never rely on ChatGPT for final dialogue. You steal the best parts and make it yours. Now let's use ChatGPT to analyze your protagonist's motivations, flaws, and emotional arc. You can also ask it to give alternate versions of your character's backstory to explore different angles. Here's an example prompt. Analyze my main character's arc. Do they experience real growth or are they static? Suggest ways to deepen their emotional transformation. ChatGPT can find blind spots in your character arcs and force you to justify every character decision. So here's the thing about AI. It's really good at pointing out where your script might be a little weak, offer suggestions, and even make you rethink some of your choices. But at the end of the day, it's your story. And that matters the most. Think of ChatGPT as your own personal script doctor, always there to help and support, but the final call is always going to be yours.